guys, I just got done doing a rainy day makeup tutorial, and my hair is very... I've done 60s inspired eyes. And it's not good to pull all like that. It's bad for it. So we get crispy and ugly stuff. Anyway, I've also done nude lips because, hey, what's wrong with nude lips? Nude lips, they're sexy for any age. Okay. Anyway, so because it's Scotland, it's just chopping it down with rain. So I've used my favorite, which you will see in the tutorial, is my 25-hour lasting finished foundation from Rimmel, or Rimmel. So it's always good to use that thing, and I can't remember right now. 1 second. Waterproof makeup. Oh, yay! Anyway, I'm sorry. I'm pregnant. I won't show you too much. Ooh, fat right there. Anyway, we'll blame it on pregnancy brain, but really, I've been like this in my life. Anyway, back to topic. What was the topic? Oh yes, waterproof makeup. Well, of course, rain, wet. I know, I'm smart. Anyway, waterproof makeup is a lifesaver. The only problem I find with waterproof makeup is, depending on the brand, if say you make a mistake, like mascara or eyeliner, and it goes somewhere else in your face and you try and wipe it off, it doesn't come off. No. So that can be a hassle. So no, the trick is for that, you get makeup remover and use a little either makeup removing wipe or makeup removing liquid with a cotton roller, and try and get it off. And then if you manage to get all of it off, which is sometimes what happens for me, then just, it's called concealer. It's my favorite thing in the whole wide world, but I have to think all the concealers. So this is my favorite thing right here. Bags under the eyes. No, for mommy eyes or studying eyes. No, studying. I never did, but yeah, you can. Or for, like me, I have blemishes, which you can't see because this glorious rain light on my skin. There's a tad up there, which is just fine. But of course, I've got makeup on now. I don't use concealer, so you can't really see it. But I have discolored patches, mainly from pregnancy now. My skin, I had to change my whole skin routine because I went from what I've always been like to a freckled, patchy, acne, greasy, then suddenly dry skin. And it just went everywhere. It wasn't pretty. So, to change my routine, I've used lots and lots of vitamin E. It's good for your skin. Very good for your skin. Not supposed to go on the face. Not really. You can. It's body butter, so it usually goes on the body. But I'm so in love with this that I use it on my face as well. But like anything, don't get it in your eyes because you'll regret it. Not that. Anyway, I will let you guys watch the tutorial, and I hope you
welcome to the start of the tutorial. This is my cocoa butter Derma V10 and it is filled with pure flavor indulgence, but I wouldn't recommend eating it. Anyway, it's full of vitamin E and I love it because it says this is not food on the back, which is, you know, for people like me. Anyway, keeping your face moisturized is great because it keeps it hydrated after you put loads of makeup on it, which can be soul destroying. This is my Pixie Brightening Primer, which I actually got in America in a place called Target, which you can't get here in Target, but I will find a way for you to get it if you feel like you would like to try some. And applying this generously to your face, but be careful because you can get certain brightening primers, if you're prone to blotchy marks on your face, sometimes they can make them worse instead of better. So it's always good to experiment with your primers. But this helps keep your makeup on your face and it lasts longer during the day. Ooh yeah, moisturize. Rubbing your face. Okie dokie. I left it too long here. This is my all-time favorite. It is my Curve Contour and Disguise Concealer from my QC Makeup Academy kit. And this is so great for getting bad under eyes away, because if you use it correctly by blending the concealers on your face, you can get rid of all the blotchy marks, and it's great to put as a base on your eyes for when you put your eyeshadow on. And make sure you don't pull at your eyes like I'm doing. That's not good. Don't do that. If you can, try and use a brush. Anyway, like I said before, blending between colors is a great way of using concealer on your face because you don't want it too light, otherwise it shows up outside and then you can look a bit clownish, which is not attractive. So apply that to your face. Make sure you blend everything in, even under the nose, because that's where I get blotchy. And to highlight my big gigantic nose, it's always good to put a little bit bright down the middle, because later on you will use different shades of foundation or blush. Now we're going to use eyeshadow, which is from Glamour Eyes 710 Twilight Zone. It's called Trio Eyeshadow from, I think it's Rimmel if I can remember. Don't worry, I'll have the link at the bottom so I can make sure it's the right one. Anyway, it's a trio of smoky tones, but I'm just using the smoky black to line my eyes in a 60s style. So I get sidetracked again. I do that a lot. And you just want to gently pull your eye there just so you can make a line on the end and not a blob, which usually happens if you try and do it. But again, don't pull at your face, it's so bad for your skin. Anyway, this is my mascara and I use a lot of these products. It's from 17 and it's called Maximum Volume. It's not my favorite from 17, but it does work and it's relatively priced well. So apply your favorite mascara and do the bottom lashes as well as the top. Make sure you try not to open your eyes too wide, otherwise you'll get mascara on the top of your eyelid. And then you have to start all over again. Or you can just use concealer. Yeah. Next, we'll be using an eyeliner pencil from 17 again to shape your eyebrows. Hopefully your eyebrows are better groomed than mine. Mine haven't been groomed in a long time. And it's good to lightly use the pencil. You do not want black, thick eyebrows. It looks ridiculous. Come on. You don't want to be walking around with huge black eyebrows and dirty blonde hair. It doesn't work. Then get a brush and smudge and blend in to your eyebrow so it looks a little bit more natural than it did with the pencil. There we go. Again, hopefully yours are the same shape, unlike mine. And here I'm adding some more concealer just to correct any mistakes, because I'm never good at coloring in on the lines. Who colors in the lines anyway? That's not fun. It's not fun. Here's my absolute favorite. It is my Lasting Finish 25-Hour Foundation from Rimmel. This is True Nude 303, but it's beginning to get a little dark for my face because I live in Scotland and there's no sun. So, but if you ever have a problem, you can blend between your concealers or other light foundation to make the shade fit your face. Now I've used a circle brush, foundation brush, and I didn't use a circle brush. I was circling with the brush to add to my face because it gives an airbrushed look rather than lines. Don't forget to do your neck. You do not want a mask. Masks are not attractive. And your forehead. My big, huge forehead. And the runway of a nose. Here I'm adding more concealer. Look, I told you it was my favorite thing. And some blush. Yes, I use blush as eyeshadow because if I want just a natural nude look on the eye, it's the best thing. Here I'm using, which I'll show you in a minute, my Rouge Blush Palette from QC Makeup Academy, which is awesome. It's just so good. Yay! I'm using this color over here to use as a, whatchamacallit, to set my makeup. There we go. I remembered. Pregnancy brain again. It's just, yeah. So apply that to your face. Obviously not too much because you don't want a cakey look. Then with a smaller blush brush, you're going to add tone and texture to your face by using a rougey tone to highlight your cheekbones like this. I laughed at myself. Now you also got to be careful on this because this is shading your face. It helps bring out your features, and if you have a slightly nasally nose like I do sometimes, then it's always good to use that on the side. Now for the lips. Oh my gosh, you're going too fast. I'm using my cocoa butter again to hydrate my lips because they're not moisturized. And another product from 17, which I will get you the information because I can't remember what it's called. It's lip gloss and it's pink. And there we go. There is your finished rainy day makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed. Now off to the supermarket to do the weekly shopping for my other half. Yay! Bye!